Once again, welcome children. So children, here I am going to explain tables and shares chapter. This is your 11th chapter and here we will discuss division. So you can see here this one is Shyama's garden. Shyama has planted sunflower, rose and marigold plants in her garden. She has planted them in 3 flower beds. Her garden look like this. So see how I planted 18 plants in each flower bed. So each flower bed has a different arrangement. Children, you can see here this one is sunflower, this one is rose and this one is marigold. So each flower bed has a different arrangement. See how the roses are planted. So here you can see this one is rose plant, and here what she has written, you can see 18 equals 6 times 3, and so there are 6 rows with 3 plants each. So here you can see this one is rose plant, and how many, this one is rose plant and how many rows are present over here. You can see there are 6 rows. Okay, so horizontal lines are known as rows. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in each row there are 3 plants. Okay, so next you can see what are the ways in which the sunflower and marigold are planted. So here you can see this one is sunflower plant, and one row, this one only one row, in one row how many plants are, how many sunflower plants are planted? 18 sunflower plants are planted. Okay, now moving to the next question, you can see here, so there is one row with 18 plants. Next we have 18 equals 2 times 9, and this one is for marigold. Okay, so there are 2 rows with 9 plants each. So this one is marigold. Okay, so here you can see different arrangement for each flower bed has a different arrangement. So here you can see different arrangement for marigold plant, and you can see here how many rows are present, 2 rows. So one row is this, second row is this, so 2 rows with 9 plants each. So you can see here 18 equals 2 times 9, which will be equal to 18. When you will count all this, you will get 18 marigold plants. Okay, moving to the next page. So here I have explained the same question. 18 equals 1 times 18, so there is one row with 18 plants, and this one is your sunflower. You can see in one row we have 18 plants. Next is 18 equals 2 times 9, so there is 2 rows with 9 plants each. So here we have marigold plant, and how many rows? 2 rows. So in 2 rows we have 9 plants each. Moving to the next page. Now jars in the shelf. Bhima made a shelf for 30 jars. This is a long shelf with 2 rows. So here how many rows are present? This one is your one row, and second this one. Okay, so here we have 2 rows, and in 2 rows we have 30 jars each. Okay, so here I have solved the same question. Can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 jars? So here children, I have written the answer. 1 times 30 equals 30. So there is one row with 30 jars. 30 times 1 equals 30. So there is 30 rows with 1 jar. Next number you will take 2. 2 times 15. So there is 2 rows with 15 jars in each row. Next 15 times 2, so there is 15 rows with 2 jars in each row. So next question, 3 times 10, so there is 3 rows with 10 jars in each row, and after that I have written this 10 over here. 10 times 3, so there is 10 rows with 3 jars in each row. Next 5 times 6, so there is 5 rows with 6 jars in each row, and after that I have written 6 over here. And 6 times 5, so there is 6 rows with 5 jars in each row. So what you have to do here, you have to arrange these jars in such a way so that total will be 30. Okay, so you can see here 1 times 30 equals 30, 30 times 1 equals 30, 2 times 15 equals 30, 15 times 2 equals 30. First I have written here rows, here jars, then this 30 will be shifted over here. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here you too can make your own garden. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 48 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. Each flower bed has a different arrangement. So look here children, here I have written the solution. We will start from 1. 1 times 48 equals 48 means 1 row 48 plants. Next I have written 2 times 24 equals 48. So 2 rows with 24 plants each. Next 3 rows with 16 plants each. Next 4 rows with 12 plants each. And after that 6 rows with 8 plants each. Okay, in case of 5 it will not be possible, so I have not written 5 over here. Next, what I have done, I have written these plants column numbers here. You can see here same numbers I have written here, but I have written rows at the top. Now we have 48 rows with 1 plant. Next 24 rows with 2 plants each. Next 16 rows with 3 plants each. Next 12 rows with 4 plants each. And last one 8 rows with 6 plants each. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these question answers. Same like that I have done one more question. Here you have to arrange 16 plants. So here I have written the answer. Please go through this. Okay, so here you can see I have written 4 times 4, 4 rows, 4 plants, and it will be same in this side also. So 4 plants, 4 rows will be same here also. So I have written it one time only. Okay, with this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.